guys!
Hey guys!
Hi mga kamomo!
Hey mga kamomos!
Ayan, so, nandito kami sa UP. Nag-meet and greet ako with my fans.
With your subscribers.
Yes, with my subscribers. At 4 pieces lang sila. Forever. With my 4 million subscribers.
So what are we going today?
We're going to...
Ay, what are we doing? Ay, where are we going?
Ano ba yan? We're going to eat.
What are we going?
That is so perfect.
Yes, he's so perfect.
Hello. Kain po. How's your food?
Very high protein and high fat. And high soju.
Hi. Linomerin. A picture.
Yeah. Hi guys!
Hi guys! Ang aming simpleng meet and greet. Simpleng. Nabusog naman kami. Nabusog ka ba?
Busog po. Sana po next time sponsored.
Oo, pagka Ay, hello! Pagka dumami na yung aking pag kumikita na yung vlog ko guys, kaya ko mag-sponsor. But for now,
Akala mo sponsorship? Huwag ka mong lalabas sa sarili mo pera.
oo. Kaya nga KKP tayo ngayon kasi
Wala pang sponsor.
wala pa.
Papalawak pa rin influensya.
Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching guys.